or 4 deep breaths you take, and then count till 4 and take a breath. Count till 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And now hold your breath. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again hold. So you have completed a box. It's got a beautiful system of activating your sympathetic system. It's called box breathing. So now we'll all do it together. Just take these instructions. So what we'll do is we're going to breathe at the count of 1, 2, 3, 4. So in 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4. Now all of you will leave your labor room for some time and do it 4 times. अपने आप से करो at your own pace. Just close your eyes tightly. Come out of your whatever you have buried in your mind and do it 4 times only. Enough for me. When you're done, you can open your eyes. This is a method of, here we don't have any concentration, just counting. And as we count, we want to block our sympathetic activation. We are actually working at our hippocampus. Here with our, suppressing our hippocampus, activating our hippocampus and suppressing our limbic system. So limbic system is about what we want to achieve. So gynecologists, the limbic system has to be very, very strong because we are playing with the lives and there is split-second decisions. But unfortunately, once we keep doing it day in, day out, that becomes part of our life. We become a pressure cooker for our life only. We are in stress in the labor room, stress on the mobile phones, always dealing with the meconiums and likers. In the life also, we become like a pressure cooker full of liker. So whenever you get time, just quieten down. It's called a box breathing. You all can do it. And then there's a method of activating your vagus nerve, which I'll tell you in the evening before you leave. So 2 things I want you to do. Done? All settled? Thank you so much.